Ah, welcome. Welcome back to a long-awaited video. So today you can see a little part of what's going on, and we're gonna open up some pins because I have a pin event coming up soon, next month. So I bought some traders because I am out of pin traders for the next event, and I thought I would just pick up some at one of my local malls at Box Lunch and Hot Topic. So I bought the pins that I'm not going to keep, but I think there's like one or two that I am keeping just for myself. So I got mostly pins for the event, and then like either one or two pins for me. So there's that. And right now I kind of have like a little headache. I haven't ate yet, so maybe that's why. But I got juice to, keep me going. So sometimes juice will help. And I have my Dutch Bros today on February 5th. So I've been saving up my money. So yeah, so I've been saving for, certain things. So let's start with Hot Topic. There's only two in here, and it's if you know what that means, Phineas and Ferb. So, Phineas and Ferb was on forever when I was in high school. But like, was I a fan of the show? No. Am I keeping these? No. So, you could get Phineas, Candace, Dr. what's his name? I know his name, I just can't pronounce it. And then Ferb, and then Isabella, and then there's Perry. I know the names because I've seen the show a few times, so I kind of know everyone. So I really don't care who I get because these will be traders at the event. So if I could get this open, that'll be nice. Okay. Wow, they do not want to open today. Oh my gosh. Am I gonna have to like rip through it or something? I think I have arthritis in my hands because I think it runs in my family. So. Oh my gosh. What the heck? And it is glued so tight. Look at that. Ugh, come on. Okay. We're just going to do this. What? They're not in a blind. They're not in a blind bag? Aw. That sucks. Okay. So we got one of the main characters, Phineas. So there's that. Okay. I think we should probably get Candace, because she's always like, Mom, Phineas and Ferb is, blah, 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 Okay. Seriously? Oh my gosh. Come on. Stick it to me. Stick it. We're gonna stick with it. Seriously. Okay. Oh, that was not a good rip. If this is another Phineas, I'm gonna be pissed. Oh, good. We got Isabella. Okay. Well, at least it's not a double, and I know quite a few people will be looking for these two. And I think I will do these two as a pair. so I could get 2 for 2. So if you see me at the event next month in my local area, I live in Arizona. Y'all know what pin event I'm talking about. You'll see me there. I'll be one of the vendors. Okay, so we got Isabella. Alright, not bad. Okay, juice time. And I cannot find my migraine medicine for my headache. I know I have it somewhere in my room. Unless you guys took it. I'm just kidding. I have it in my room somewhere. It's just hiding on me. Okay. So on to box lunch. So I did get a few mystery boxes, and then I think one that is not a mystery, I believe. Or did I get 2? I don't know. So let's just get these out. Oh, that's for my eyeglasses. I don't think we want to open this, right? Nope. Okay, so I did get 2 that are not blind boxes. Okay, so I got how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm not gonna say the next number. You know, after 6 comes. I'm not even gonna go there. We don't need that. That's just okay. So I got one of the Making Friends Complete the Puzzle set. So I know people will be after these. So this is, and I saw some of these at the Pinboard and Box Lunch, and they looked pretty nice. Like, I don't think I'm gonna collect this, maybe? I don't know. But I do like Pluto and Goofy, so those 2 are my favorites. So we'll open as we go, and I'll show you as I go. So there's that. Okay. If these want to open with me, that would be nice. You know? Be a pal. Be a friend. Have a life. And as we do. Alright. I wish I could tell who this is. Okay. So, either Pluto or Goofy, I will be happy. And I don't think it is. Nope. This is, oh, Minnie Mouse. Well, Minnie's a good one. Oh, and there's a shininess. Alright, so there's that. And I think these kind of stain a little bit very easily. And I know there's a way to clean those too, so there's that. And then my next one is Zootopia. I do not like Zootopia. Because, like, for me, they look like they smell. Even when I see, like, the characters in the park, like, I never met them in person, you know, at the theme parks. But I don't know why I get this. I feel like Zootopia smells. Like, there's something about it that is just... I don't know what it is. But we're gonna open this. So you could get Nick Wilde, Judy Hopps, Gary, Clawhauser, Gazelle, and Nibbles. Okay. And I know Nick and Judy will be, you know, very popular. So we'll see who's in here. Maybe I could tell from the design, you know, in the back. This feels small. Has to be Gazelle or Gary. One of the 2. Pretty small, I think. So we'll see. Oh. We gotta do that in every single video, because if we don't do it, like, who's gonna know? Okay. Oh man, I threw the box. Damn it. We got it. I forgot his name. We're gonna name him we forgot his name. That's his new name now. Alright? That's his new name. His new name is we forgot who you are. And it's okay. Alright, so next I'm going to show you guys Bluey. And I know Bluey's very popular. So we got that. And I know someone will love this for sure. And one of my other open ones is this thingy. Is it, what's his name from The Little Mermaid? Is this on the back? I just, Scuttle. Or Screwer? I don't know. You guys will tell me in the comments. Alright, so we got Stitch. So this is one of the letters. I think I like the one with his ears down with the letter H. I think I like that one. Like, am I a Stitch fan? No. Is this for a trade? Yep. Oh man, it's not. Oh, we got Stitch. The letter S for Stitch. Alright, that's pretty good so far. Alright. So I did get 2 for myself. Okay, I wasn't sure. And then next we have Coco. I don't know their names. Y'all gonna have to tell me who's who. Like, starting from the top. Well, I know one's Coco in there, I think, right? If I'm not mistaken. Why am I shaking? Why am I shaking? Maybe it's because I did not have any, but I need food. I don't care who I get. They're all creepy like. So there's that. Alright, so we're gonna open. And look with me. Oh, it has like a rubbery texture. Oh, okay. Cool. So there's whoever that is. I'm very uneducated about Coco, but it's okay. We get educated today. And then my last trader, before we open up my keepers, we got the Monsters Inc. doors, the mystery doors. So you could get Sully, Mike, and then 4 other people. I have no clue who they are. So, if I had to guess who's behind in here, either Mike or Sally, because that's all I know. And then one that goes, I'm always watching. That's the only one I know too. Whatever her name is. But we'll discover her name later. Oh, it's not who it is. Okay, so it is. What's its name? Yeah, that's the new name now. What's its name? We're naming it What's Its Name. Ow, don't hurt me. You're gonna be traded next month anyway, so goodbye. A pen dropped. Be trading you off for something I like that doesn't drop on me. How about that? You little traitor. Okay. I should be like in a sitcom or something. So this is the suitcase. And going to the mailbox, going to the mailbox, going to the mail. You know, from Blue's Clues, you know that song? I have no idea. I didn't even watch Blue's Clues, you know, when it was on the air the first time around. So we got the Disney Princess mailboxes. And I saw the guitar ones with the guitar picks. It's so heavy. If it's there next month, the day before, it's mine. Okay, so in this one, only if they put Belle in here. That would be nice, but apparently they didn't want to put Belle because they knew I was coming. But there's Jasmine. There's Ariel. Tangled. And Mulan. And then Tiana. And then Sleeping Beauty. Okay. Either Mulan, Jasmine, because I do like her. She's my second favorite. First it's Belle, then Jazz, and then Ariel. And then the rest could come at the bottom. I wish these ones actually opened, but they don't. But it's okay. You know. Oh, Jazz! Jasmine. Yay! Awesome. 17 minutes, what? No. Okay. I didn't even know that was the but okay. For the mailbox, they included Belle. They included Jasmine. They included Ariel. They included Rapunzel, Tiana, and Snow White. If you're not Belle, Jasmine, or Ariel, I'm done. Alright. Oh, that moves. Oh, I got Belle. Yay. Oh, I got Belle. I got Belle. She's going into my collection. I love it. Okay. So, that is it for today. And my craziness, as always. And I have my Christmas stocking up. But that's holding my ornaments. So, at least I know where my stuff is for when I put my Christmas trees back up again later in the year. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next time, whenever I make a new video. Alright, bye-bye.